Dead zones in the ocean. Where life suffocates, there are places in our oceans. Where life goes to die. Waters that once danced with fish and color. Now silent, still, suffocating. They're called dead zones, vast stretches of sea where oxygen vanishes. And nothing survives. And here's the terrifying truth. They're spreading, fast. From the Gulf of Mexico to the Arabian Sea, the ocean is gasping for breath. And it's not just a scientific problem, it's a human one. What is a dead zone? A dead zone, or hypoxic zone, is an area in the ocean where oxygen levels drop so low that marine life either flees or dies. Fish suffocate, coral reefs bleach. Crabs and starfish go still. Oceans need oxygen just like we do. But in a dead zone, there's simply not enough to survive. Some dead zones are natural, caused by ocean currents or volcanic activity, but most of them, we created. How ocean dead zone form? It starts on land. Farms release fertilizer into rivers, rich in nitrogen and phosphorus. These nutrients feed massive algae blooms in the ocean. When the algae dies, it sinks. Bacteria eat the decaying matter. And in doing so, consume oxygen. Soon, the water becomes depleted. Life begins to disappear. Warmer oceans, caused by climate change, make it worse. Warm water holds less oxygen. And when layers of the ocean stop mixing, fresh oxygen can't reach the depths. This is happening in places like the Gulf of Mexico, where a dead zone the size of a small country appears every summer. In the Baltic Sea, it's now the largest human-caused dead zone on Earth. Even in the Arabian Sea, a massive low-oxygen patch, as big as Scotland, has been discovered. Who's affected? Dead zones don't just kill fish, they change everything. Entire food chains collapse. Fish migrate to new areas, disrupting local ecosystems. Coral reefs are already stressed by warming waters, dive faster in low-oxygen seas. Bottom dwellers like crabs, shellfish, and starfish can't escape. They die in silence. Humans are affected too. Coastal fisheries suffer. Livelihoods vanish. The very people who rely on the ocean are left gasping alongside it. Can dead zone be reversed? But here's the echo of hope. Dead zones are not permanent. In the 1990s, the Black Sea had one of the worst dead zones in the world. But when farming practices improved and pollution laws changed, oxygen levels slowly returned. Solutions exist. Reduce fertilizer runoff. Create marine protected areas. Innovate cleaner agriculture and fishing. Cut greenhouse gas emissions. It takes science, policy, and most of all, awareness. The ocean is alive. It breathes. It reacts. And right now, it's warning us. Dead zones are not just underwater wastelands. They're echoes of what we've done and what we can still fix, because the more we understand our ocean, the more we understand ourselves. At Echoes of Time and Tide, we explore not just the wonders of our world, but the warnings. Subscribe for more stories where science meets mystery, and every fact leaves an echo.